Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have a brand new product drop. Super exciting news. We have our all new Lucent Spray Shine synthetic spray wax. So we have an all new spray wax, an all new way for you to shine, protect, and clean your ride. Lucent is a super polymer spray wax. So it's a synthetic spray wax that's going to change the way you wax your ride forever. Now this product is a super simple spray and wipe solution. All you have to do is simply spray it, wipe it down with the premium microfiber towel, and enjoy the incredible shine and protection it has to deliver. It's formulated with intense slicking agents that's going to provide a super sleek feel to your paint, which is going to help reject the amount of contaminants that stick onto the surface, making your car cleaner for longer. The gloss intensifiers that you'll find in Lucent provide a deep, brilliant, and glowing shine finish to any color paintwork. So you can use it on your paint, you can use it on your glass, headlights, tail lights, wheels, and so much more. All right guys, so right here we have this Tesla which we've just washed. Now we decided to wash this car instead because it was more on the dirtier side. I know I mentioned that you can use Lucent as a quick detailer. However, we recommend doing that on lightly dusty surfaces. In this case, it was more dirty, so we decided to wash it instead. And another thing is that before you apply any type of protectant, whether it be a spray wax like Lucent or any kind of ceramic coating or sealant, we always recommend for best results that you clay bar and polish the surface. So that's exactly what we did on this Tesla. We just give it a quick clay, give it a quick polish just to make sure that any type of protectant that we apply on it reflects very nicely on the surface. So to use it, all you have to do is simply spray it down onto the surface. Now before you go ahead and spray it, make sure that the surface is cool to the touch before you apply it. And then you just want to go ahead and spray a couple sprays onto the desired area. In this case, I'm going to be spraying this half of the hood, so I'm going to go ahead and spray directly onto the hood. 6 sprays, that's all we're going to need for this little section of the hood. Grab yourself a premium microfiber towel and then simply wipe it down and enjoy the incredible shine and protection that Lucent has to offer. The great thing about Lucent is that it's a streak-free formula, so all you have to do is simply wipe it down, flip it around to a dry side of your microfiber towel and buff off any excess product, and then it's that easy. You see that intense shine, it intensifies the shine, it gives it a deep radiant glow. You know, on this Tesla, it does have this beautiful blue color, so it's definitely gonna give it that nice pop. So it adds an intense, sleek feel to your paint, which in the long run is gonna prevent a lot of contaminants from sticking to your paint, keeping your car cleaner for longer. All right guys, and there you guys have it. Very quick, very short, very simple explanation on how to use our brand new product, Lucent Spray Shine. Now, a pro tip for you guys out there, if you guys, when you wash your car and your car has already been treated or if it has no protection at all, you can actually use Lucent as a drying aid. And what that's gonna do for you is it's gonna break down the tension on the surface, which is gonna reduce the chance of you scratching your paint from the drying process. The great thing about it is that as you're washing your car, you're also adding a layer of shine and protection while you dry. And another thing is that you can actually use Lucent as a topper or as a booster to any type of wax, sealant, glaze, or ceramic coating that you have on your paintwork. So if you have any of those on your paintwork, you can use Lucent in between washes to give it a boost of shine, clean your paint from light dust and contaminants, and give it a nice boost of protection as well. Lucent also enhances your paint with the extreme durable protection of a synthetic spray wax that's going to prevent a lot of things from sticking, like dirt, dust, pollen, and it also enhances it with the extreme hyperactive water beading that you guys all know and love. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Our brand new product, Lucent Spray Shine Synthetic Spray Wax. It is now available right now on our website, chemicalguys.com, or you can actually pick it up at your local detail garage store. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I'll see you guys next time.